Hello guys, this is Meals by Mary. Now this bean salad is better than you think. And when you add this dressing to it, it will blow your mind. So let's start. First, we're going to need kidney beans, white beans, and green beans. If the green beans are frozen or fresh, just boil them until they are soft. Add all your beans to a bowl, and that is it for the base of our salad. Now for the dressing. Add olive oil, vinegar, sugar, mustard, parsley, cilantro, finely diced onion. You can also add scallion, garlic, salt, and pepper. Mix, 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 mix all the ingredients until they come together. I'm transferring the beans to a nice serving plate, and this is optional. But I mean, we eat with our eyes too, right? And I'm pouring that delicious dressing right on top. Seriously, this is one of the easiest salads you will ever make. It's protein packed, super flavorful, and totally vegetarian friendly. And that is it on Meals by Mary for today. Don't forget to like, comment on the video, and subscribe to stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye bye.